You've stretched, you've rested, you've even tried those trendy TikTok posture hacks, but that nagging back pain? It's still there, right? Millions of women silently suffer through chronic back pain every single day. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. Back pain is rarely just about your back. So let's dive deep into why your back pain isn't going away and the empowering, practical steps you can take to finally heal and reclaim your comfort. Let's be real, many of us spend hours hunched over laptops, stuck in traffic, or glued to our phones. This constant compression isn't just bad for your discs. It weakens those core muscles designed to support your back. And when those muscles check out, your spine takes on the extra load, leading to pain and stiffness. So, what can you do? First, make a conscious effort to move more throughout your day. Set a timer to stand or walk around every 30 minutes, even if it's just for a minute or two. Your spine will thank you. Ever notice how your back pain seems to flare up during times of high stress? That's not a coincidence. Stress and back pain are closely linked, and understanding this connection can help you manage both more effectively. When you're constantly stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, flooding your system with hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare your body to face immediate danger, but when stress is chronic, they can wreak havoc on your muscles. One of the ways your body copes with this constant stress is by tensing up your muscles, especially in your neck, shoulders, and lower back. This tension can lead to persistent pain and discomfort, making it hard to relax even when the stressor is gone. These muscles are like the first responders of your body, always ready to jump into action to protect you from perceived threats. However, when they are constantly on high alert, it can lead to chronic pain and stiffness. Incorporating stress-reducing practices into your daily routine is crucial. Not only do these practices help calm your mind, but they also help release the tension in your muscles. This could include deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or anything else that helps you relax and unwind. By making these activities a regular part of your life, you can better manage stress and reduce the impact it has on your body. Think of your core muscles, your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles, as the internal corset that supports your spine. Weak glutes can cause your pelvis to tilt forward, putting extra stress on your lower back. The good news? Strengthening your core and glutes is like giving your back a team of bodyguards. Simple exercises like planks, bridges, bird dogs, and squats can work wonders in strengthening these crucial muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key. Imagine your body as a car. Your muscles are like the tires, and your bones are like the frame. Now imagine driving that car with one tire significantly bigger than the others. That's essentially what happens in your body when you have muscle imbalances. If certain muscles are too tight, like your hip flexors from sitting all day, and others are too weak, like your glutes, it creates a tug-of-war that pulls your body out of alignment. This chronic strain on your muscles, joints, and ligaments can lead to pain, stiffness, and limited mobility. Incorporate stretches that target both the tight and weak muscles. Let's be honest, when back pain flares up, our first instinct is often to reach for the quickest fix. Painkillers, heating pads, maybe even a little denial. We want the discomfort to disappear as fast as possible, so we can get back to our daily routines without any interruptions. While these methods can provide temporary relief, they're like putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. They might offer a momentary sense of relief, but the underlying issue remains unresolved. They might mask the symptoms for a while, but they don't address the root cause of the problem. The pain will likely return, sometimes even worse than before. Those painkillers might dull the pain signals, but they don't magically fix the underlying muscle imbalances, postural issues, or lifestyle habits that are contributing to your discomfort. Consulting a healthcare professional can help you identify and address these root causes. So instead of reaching for that quick fix, ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me? Maybe it's time to adopt a more holistic approach, incorporating regular exercise, mindfulness, and proper ergonomics into your daily life. Ready to finally kick back pain to the curb and reclaim your comfort? Imagine waking up each day without that nagging ache, feeling more energized and ready to take on the world. It's time to ditch the quick fixes and embrace a holistic approach that addresses the root causes of your pain. Here's your step-by-step roadmap to a healthier, pain-free back. 1. Posture awareness. Become aware of your posture throughout the day. Whether you're sitting at your desk or standing in line, maintaining good posture is crucial. 2. Core and glute strengthening. Incorporate core and glute strengthening exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. These exercises help stabilize your spine and support your lower back. 3. Stretching. Stretch regularly to improve flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and counteract the effects of sitting for long periods. Focus on areas like your hamstrings, hip flexors, and lower back. 4. Daily movement. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your day. Even short, frequent breaks to stand and stretch can make a big difference. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, swimming, or hiking. The key is to stay active and keep your body moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy, pain-free back. Living with chronic back pain can feel like you're constantly battling your own body. But I want you to know this. You're not alone in this. The journey to a pain-free back is possible. And it starts today, right where you are. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Remember those small wins along the way. The days you wake up without stiffness, the moments you catch yourself slouching and adjust your posture. Your body is not the enemy, it's your ally. You're not alone in this. The journey to a pain-free back is possible, and it starts today, right where you are. Take that first step. Do one stretch. Sit up a little taller, drink one more glass of water, then tomorrow, do it again. Want more step-by-step wellness tips tailored for women like you? Subscribe to the Rosemary Guides newsletter. Let's rise, strong and supported together.